Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Goodbye camera bar. Hello sleek new design. New CAD renders of Google's next foldable phone, the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, with an updated camera module, slimmer profile, new upgrades, and prices have been published. According to the latest preliminary news data, Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold is getting ready for release. The design has been revealed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. An island of stability, Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold will not change format. At a time when Apple, Samsung, Huawei, and Oppo are moving away from the square folds, in favor of something more. Google won't abandon its familiar format. This is confirmed by renders of the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, created by insider Stevie McFly, known as OnLeaks, based on leaked CAD files. Android Headlines, in collaboration with leaker OnLeaks, obtained renders of the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold, created using computer-aided design data. The images show the design of the foldable smartphone, which the company plans to unveil in August 2026. The main visual difference of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the redesigned rear camera assembly. The LED flash and microphone are now located in the top notch, along with one of the lenses, whereas in the previous model, these elements were located separately. The front of the device remains unchanged, the outer display retains its rounded corners, and the camera hole in the upper right corner. According to CAD models, the thickness of the folded case has decreased, from 10.8 to 10.1 mm, and when unfolded, from 5.2 to 4.8 mm. The unfolded device's dimensions are 155.2 by 150.4 mm, matching the dimensions of its predecessor. The manufacturer retained the flat back panel, aluminum frame, and centrally positioned logo. The processor will be the Tensor G6, manufactured by TSMC using a 3nm process. There are unconfirmed reports of a 7-core configuration. According to sources, Google is considering installing cameras similar to those found in the Pixel 10 Pro, replacing the simpler setup used in the previous generation foldable model. The smartphone's release is expected in August this year, but the price remains a mystery. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold launched at $1,800, but after 6 months of overwhelming demand, it was dropped to $1,500. But the new Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold will get a price hike. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.